Assalamu alaikum and very good morning to all the honorable lecturers. I am 047237 Muhammad Adeen, currently pursuing my degree in Engineering Manufacturing Technology majoring in Product Design at the Faculty of Innovative Design and Technology. This is my progress video for dual self-canceling turn signal for motorcycles. This video consists of 5 key elements, that is technical drawing, 3D model, project material and costing, finite element analysis. Firstly, we can see the technical drawing for casing 1. The design was constructed by using Fusion 360. And this is the technical drawing for casing 2. The casing is functioned to protect electronic components such as Arduino, relay and gyroscope. This is technical drawing for the printed circuit board. This component is functioned to organize electronic component. This is a technical drawing of device holder. It functioned to hold the device on the motorcycle. On this slide, we can see the assembly view from the third angle view with 4 views, which are the top, isometric, front, and side view. The next slide shows the exploded view for the 3D model, which we can see the internal mechanism for this product. Then we can see the overview from the 3D model as a finished product. This is the rendered view of my project in Fusion 360. The costing for this project can be seen in the table, which can be added to RM28.73. The system cost is RM66.02. Hence, the total cost for this product is RM86.75. This is a finite element analysis for design optimization of 5 analysis, that is airflow design, safety factors, stress, displacement, reaction force and strain. The airflow design software is needed to get the result of pressure that contact on the device. This is an isometric view of airflow design. And this is a side view of the airflow design. The result of the airflow design is used in the simulation in Fusion 360 to get the safety factor, stress, etc. Lastly, this is my progress for this project. That's all for my 3 minutes video. Thank you for your attention.